Mabuhay guys, and welcome back to the AZ Garden Triangle. Today we are harvesting aruy-uy peppers for cooking adobong sili. Adobong sili is another Ilocano dish that my nanay and I just love to eat. Some people call it Pinakbet na sili. We plant our aruy-uy in pots and place them next to the trellis in the Asian aisle. There's just so many fruits right now, and we're harvesting some to cook adobong sili for dinner tonight in the AZ kitchen. Some of them are getting red, and we're saving them for seeds next year. Do you grow this type of pepper in your garden? Let us know in the comment section down below. Have you followed us on Instagram? If not, our Instagram is on screen. Now let's get to the AZ kitchen and prepare our adobong sili, or pinakbet na sili. We only need bawang, bagoong, and sukang iloko to cook the adobong sili, or pinakbet na sili. To my friend from Asayon's family garden, do you cook this dish as well? Now let's simmer the bagoong and bawang together. It's time to add the sili. And then when the sili is almost cooked, add the sukang iloko. Shake it after a few minutes and it's ready to serve. It is best to eat with beef adobo. Mangantayon kakabsat. It's time for a shout out. First shout out is Jong's Backyard. Chai Passion World. Oli's Well. Bossing na Tambay. Leah Anthony. Deji Food Recipes Vlog Drama. Filipino Academy Official. Cuddy's Succulents and Travel Vlog. Serenity Now Garden. And Eva Sheer Vlogs. Thank you all for your support.